SRFM stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Surf Air Mobility stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief, short 1-minute video. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, so I've seen what's printing and what's not, especially with Surf Air Mobility. It's so sick because I started buying this way earlier than you expect. It was 331 at the time, 2 weeks ago, and then from 331 we reached 990. You know, almost. We were like 3 cents away from a perfect triple X. You know, that's like was it a 200% increase? Right? Yeah, almost a 200% increase. All I wanted to see is a double break for me to buy, and that's still genuinely what I'm waiting for. If there's not a double break, then I don't care. I'm not gonna buy. Easy and simple. So what I'll do here, just put like that, and all I'm doing in the meantime, I'm waiting for rules. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.